Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning again, guys. Yeah, guys, it seems like today I am going to get the lawnmower fixed, you know? I'm just going to go and buy the wall kit and a tool where I can keep it for myself. And I need to buy a lot of tools, you know, where I can fix stuff and things. I don't have no tool. So I'm going to keep on buying tools where I could fix stuff. So I'm going to head back to Home Depot and get that set where I could fix the lawnmower today. Yeah, man, in the garage over there, you know? So the lawnmower is in the garage. So I'm gonna head out now, guys. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. We are in Covington, man. It's a nice morning, cool morning. But I have to get this grass cut, you know? Yeah, man, for real. I have to get this grass cut and stuff. Over this side, they're selling land and thing, you know? Yeah, man, for real, man. Out here look nice and clean, you know? Nice neighborhood, quiet, you know? You know, we in the countryside, in Covington, you know? So, guys, let me head out, you know? I'm gonna get this tool, go back to Home Depot and get this tool set where I can do my video, okay? Yeah, man. So, let's go. All right, guys, check in. I leave out now. We shut down the garage. The garage coming down. Yeah, man. Back up, guys. There's a back up, you know? Alright. Let's go. Home Depot. Get that tool, you know? Yeah, man. So on my way, I'm gonna stop and put some gas in this truck, you know? So you guys stay tuned. I see you guys at the gas station. I'll put some gas in the truck. Alright, guys, coming again. So I head down there to the left, to the gas station, to this gas station, BP. Put some gas in the truck and then head to Home Depot and get that tool set, you know? Real. Nice, beautiful day. Today Wednesday, you know? So I'm gonna head over this side over here to that gas station. deep. But stay tuned. I'll go inside and pay for the gas. And then come back out and pump it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get some gas in the truck. Yeah, man. I'm gonna put some gas in the truck. That's it. Yeah, man. Release it. Number 5. 25. Yes, sir. To the machine, the big machine, you know? Up and running. Right? 35 minutes. See that run there? Pull it up, you know? Not really pull it up, just put 25 in there for now. Yeah, man. Over that side they have Chevron gas station. So that over there is Highway 81 in Covington. If you live in Covington and you watch my video, you know where I am right now, you know? Real. So you guys stay tuned to the way to stay tuned. Yeah man, check in guys, on the way down here, huh? Alright, look, come on, see? Yeah, that's one of my subscribers right there. Good guy, you know? Yeah man, look, come on, see? Yeah guys, on the way to Home Depot, okay? Going back to Home Depot, forget that, right? Sackett said fix this lawn. I have to fix the lawnmower today, no? Today not passing. I don't fix that lawn. Alright guys? So you guys stay tuned. Yeah man. There man, there again, you know? On our way. Home Depot. It's like 10 minutes down the street, you know? From where we live, you know? So guys, if you don't see Ann is at work, you know? I don't work today, so I have to take care of things at the house today, you know? And this flag is just a daily life thing, you know? Fix the lawnmower and stuff. Make sure the yard look nice and cut the grass, man. So I will show you a video cutting the grass too, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm going to work, you know? So maybe later you guys might see Ann. Yeah, man. So you guys stay tuned, you know? Real. Remember guys, like, share and subscribe, you know? And watch the video to the end. Leave a comments, you know? Real. And keep on support us, you know? See? Yeah, man. On my way down there, you know? Make a left turn right here. So we're gonna jump on the interstate for around 5 minutes. Yeah. Highway 20. Heading west, you know? Yeah. So I will see you guys in Home Depot, okay? Okay guys, I make it to Home Depot again. So I'm gonna go inside, you know? Inside the town. Get this thing going. Yeah man. Nice day again. Hot and sunny. Yeah. Home Depot, where you going, you know? So, see me inside. Morning.
Hi, good morning. How you doing?
Good, good.
What can we help you find?
No, I bring back this again. I'm going to go ahead and you remember me from yesterday?
From yesterday?
Yeah.
I
Let me take off the glasses.
Okay, yeah, now you got to be
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, darling.
Yeah.
You got the card or the phone
No,
number?
I'm just going to buy the whole set, you know?
Okay.
The socket set.
Okay, so I need to return this one. So
Yeah.
how can I pull up with the pro
Oh,
number?
maybe give you the card.
Oh.
That's my good friend over there, you know? Yeah, all right. So now we're gonna go down here and find the right socket set. You know? Yeah, man. Home Depot over there again. You know? Good hardware store. I have everything. Check it out on that side. That side. It's aisle 12, that's 11. So 12 is supposed to be right over here. All right, here we go. So this one, I need to get one of these. This one is for $32. See right here. This one is for 29. I don't know, guys. But I have to get one of them. I have this adjustable wrench at home already. I don't need that one. So let's get the one for $32. You know? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get this one, guys. You guys see? Yeah, nice little socket set. So we can work on the lawnmower. Yeah, man. Real. So let's check out, you know? So you guys stay tuned. Okay, guys, I get the socket set. So now I'm gonna stop by a supermarket and get me some stuff, you know. Yeah, man, I head back to the truck, you know. Check here. Yeah, man. Start up the big machine, you know. All right, guys. See what's going on, so I'll get the socket set and everything. Show you guys it again. See it right here in this bag. See it here? Yeah, man. So now we can work on the lawnmower, you know? Alright? So you guys stay tuned. Yeah, check in, guys. Check in. It's time to work on the lawnmower now. See it there? Remember, I'll get this kit right here. So everything is right here, you know? What I'm gonna use. Work on the lawnmower, you know? Yeah, man, so I'm gonna start work on the carburetor first. Yeah. I'll see if I can get it going, you know? Okay. Okay, guys, so stay tuned, you know? Okay, guys, check in. So now I'm gonna start work on the lawnmower, okay? So you guys can see me. So I'm gonna try to take off this dust cap. Yeah, man. Work out, guys. Screw out. You guys get it. Alright, guys. So now take off the cover with the carburetor and spray it out, you know? Right there. So that's the carburetor right there, you know? And they're kinda, I'm gonna spray some WD-40. There's a WD-40. Clean it up, you know. Stay tuned, guys. Alright. Yeah man, check in again guys. Remember guys, this lawnmower will leave outside and the rain come on. Wet it up, you know? And water getting at the carburetor. So I'm just with, and I clean it up, you know, and blow it out. And then I have to get the card back out, the starter, so I have to pull off the top too. Yeah man guys, so stay tuned. Yeah man guys, so I'm gonna screw it back up, everything look good. Hopefully it might start guys. I don't know. I think I'm doing a good job, you know? So I'm using 5/16 second. You guys can see. Tighten it up, you know? Blessed deal, no? Remember guys, like, share and subscribe. See? Nylon on America YouTube channel, you know? Jamaica and America. Link up on the screen, you know? Yeah man, checking guys. So now I put in this new air filter, you know. Put in the new air filter right here, okay? So go right there. Right? And put on the cover. Alright guys, so done with the carburetor. So now I'm gonna take off the screw at the top, you know? Yeah man, so you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, now I'm gonna screw up the top, catch back the card or the card burst to start the lawnmower, you know? I have to pull out the top, you know? So now I'm using socket 11 by this one. Try about 560. Yeah. I see. You guys still check in again, guys. Guys, it's so hot in the garage. I have to take off my shirt, you know? It's too hot. Alright guys, see you. So stay tuned. Check in, guys. So now I'll get back out the card to start it. So I now have to find the next piece and tie it back on and everything. So now I'm gonna screw up at the top, you know. So I'm gonna screw it back up now. Yeah, just like that. So you guys stay tuned. Check in again, guys. So now I tighten it up. But I can't find the next piece of the next end, you know? But still I'm going to try and start without the next piece, you know? I can't find it.
Can you feel my love? Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah, I know.
Can you feel my
Let's hope it starts, you know?
Can you feel my
So you guys stay tuned. Check in, guys. So now I'm going to try to start it up, you know? Already Friday. Let's hope it starts, you know? Can't find the next piece of the card, you know?
stay through the way the colors turn.
Dive in with me to the deep of the orange bird.
And lay
You guys stay tuned.
Can you feel my love?
Right? I'm trying it again, you know? Try it again.
Can you feel my
Can you feel my love? Can you feel my
Come on.
Ooh, it's the fall, it's the fall. Ooh, it's the fall, it's the fall, it's the fall.
One more time. Check in, guys. Okay. So, lawnmower. Now starting, crank one time. Not keeping it, you know? I think I flooded. So I'm gonna leave a couple minutes and try it again, you know?
Can you feel
But guys,
my love?
I'm gonna end this video now, you know? Hopefully I get it running. Where I could cut the grass, you know? And if you guys have any comments about the lawnmower, let me know, you know? Want to try to get it running, you know? So you guys stay tuned. I'll watch for the next video, okay? I am out right now. Yeah, man, for real. Watch the next video. Peace out. One love every time. See? Respect.